jokes at the grown-up table. Or Sarah.
Something funny, Lincoln?
Not at this table.
So it turns out we didn't need the service call in the first place. The darn copier was just a front.
How about that? Okay. You're all excused.